It is an effort to honor our hardcore enthusiast fan base and a tribute to our relentless engineering origin. It's designed for you. Thank you.
The display itself is brilliant. It's a 6.4-inch display, Full HD Plus with 92% screen to body ratio, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. So you can actually see really good colors on this book. And the color reproduction on this display is really good as compared to other competitors. Plus, it comes with a very high 600 nits brightness, which means that when you're actually watching this display, even in bright sunlight conditions, you can easily view the content. Plus, in a partnership with Corning, we are giving the most durable smart screen protection in the industry. Even now, there are flagships which are offering Corning Gorilla Glass 5, but here we packed in the Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection, which is scratch resistant. And as compared to the previous generation Gorilla Glass 5, it's got 2x higher drop protection. Battery was one of the big key points or the pain points that flagship customers experience. You buy a very expensive phone, and then with that expensive phone, you also have to worry about buying a power bank or carry a very heavy charger along with you, and still having the anxiety that your battery would actually run off. So in 6Z, we pack in for the first time in the world in a flagship, a super powerful, high capacity, 5000 mAh battery. And along with this 5000 mAh battery, we also support quick charge 4.0 functionality with USB Type-C fast charging. So you've got best of the both worlds, where you've got a very high capacity battery, plus you've got fast charging. And this can also, by the way, having such large capacity, support reverse charging function up to 10 watts with USB Type-C to Type-C connectivity. Plus, the advantage of using quick charge is that you can actually have compatibility with power banks which support quick charge. So by any chance, if you want to charge your phone, in the worst case scenario, since this phone won't need charging, but in the worst case scenario, you still need to charge it with the power bank. It will support fast charging on the power bank. This is a great advantage compared to, let's say, proprietary solutions which are not compatible and do not charge fast on power banks or third-party charger. Plus, with the 5000 mAh battery and the 7 nanometer processor which is there in this, which we'll talk about that later, it gives you an amazing battery capacity, and it easily lasts for 2 days. You get up to 26 days 4G standby, 33.3 hours of talk time, and 21 hours of Wi-Fi web browsing. What I want to actually share with you is something which went behind the scene in terms of actually deciding why do we choose this kind of a battery, and why did we choose the kind of charging solution that we've chosen. So a quick perspective into how smartphone batteries are actually worked upon and decided. So when you actually want to work upon a battery, you look at endurance as one of the key parameters, and it's one of our key considerations at ASUS. You obviously need high capacity battery for endurance. You want the battery to last really long. Then you want convenience, you want quick charge, wireless charge, these kind of functions. And then the design matters, because you want to accommodate a high capacity or the highest possible capacity of battery in a slim form factor. You don't want your phone to become a bulky big power bank. So there are these considerations which are involved. Now let's understand what are the trade-offs. When you want to do fast charging on a battery, okay, ultimately battery is simple. It's got a positive anode and a negative cathode. When you want to do fast charging, the electrons exchange very fast. And to maintain battery safety, you need a thick separator between anode and cathode. So faster the charging requirement, you need thicker separator, which means your size of the battery would go on increasing with higher capacity and a thicker separator. If you have lower wattage charging, then obviously the separator is thinner. So that's one key consideration. You have a trade-off between capacity and charging in terms of then the size of the battery because of the separator thickness. It is truly the most phenomenal flagship innovation in the camera. So let's talk about the most important feature of 6D, which is the flip camera. Flip camera is a very, very interesting innovation that we've come up with to actually ensure that you get a full view viewing experience without any notch, without any punch hole. And at the same time, it adds many new meaningful functionalities to the camera that you've hitherto not experienced on any other smartphone or maybe even any other DSLR. So this is a true camera innovation in the world, and it really generates amazing new functionalities which I'm going to take you through. So let's talk a bit about the specs of the camera. So the main sensor on the camera is actually a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor. And the advantage of this sensor is that it's got amazing low light capability at one end because of quad layer technology, and on the other end, it can actually take very high resolution pictures. But what is the most amazing part of this innovation that we've done is that you get this 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor both in the rear and in the front. So you can actually take your selfies, VFs on a 48 megapixel sensor for the first time in a flagship in the world. The secondary camera in this is a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera. And this again is based on your feedback on 5Z. We got this feedback that you've got a really wide angle, but we want more resolution. So in 6Z we've upgraded the 8 megapixel camera ultra wide to a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera. Plus the main sensor has a very wide 1.79 aperture, again enabling really good low light photography. And with the quad layer technology on IMX586, at 12MP resolution, you've got a pixel size which is one of the best in class at 1.6 micrometer. Plus, these are some other additions that we've done. We've added laser autofocus for really fast autofocus, and we've also added a dual LED flash. While in the rear, some of these features might be available in other smartphones. But what is most interesting is the fact that with the flip camera, you've got IMX586 sensor, you've got the secondary 13 megapixel wide angle sensor, plus dual LED flash and laser autofocus available for your front camera experience as well. Plus, this is one of the big requests of our Indian fans, that they want Cam2 API to be open. So as already confirmed earlier as well, we opened the Cam2 API on 6D for you to enable you to actually download third-party camera applications and use in this phone as well. So let's understand a bit more about the most important aspect now, which is the flip camera. So we've created a flip camera which allows you to actually control the movement of the camera. And you can do it in two ways. You can actually use the volume slider to actually control the movement of the camera up and down up to 180 degrees. Or you have a soft key, okay, which you can actually use in the camera UI for free angle control. And the best part is you can use this free angle control both while taking pictures as well as shooting videos. You can even shoot a slow-mo video with this free angle control. So this gives you amazing new dimension and convenience to use the camera. It makes taking impossible angles possible and adds a huge host of convenience to your camera usage experience. So let's say if you use the vertical panorama, auto vertical panorama in this to take the beautiful picture of yours with the tall building very, very conveniently. So it adds really new meaningful dimensions to photography which were not there before. We've also added this amazing function which especially our friends who are tech experts would really appreciate because they do a lot of vlogs. So next time now when you want to do your vlog, you can use the motion tracking function of the flip camera, which means that you just keep your phone stationary and you move around the flip camera angle will actually track you, keep you in the center of the frame and record the video. And you can do that up to 4K 60 FPS. So let's look at how does this functionality really work. What is in this amazing mechanism that we built in which enables these kind of new functions, and what is it really made of? So first of all, just this module of the flip camera has a 2-meter diameter hinge from where you've got 17 power cables which come in and 32 signal cables which come in a very thin space. Apart from that, inside the flip camera itself, you've got gravitational sensor, gyro sensor, Hall sensor, you've got the 2 camera sensors, you've got laser autofocus, dual LED flash, and also you've got a built-in additional speaker, which is the 5-angle speaker to act as a stereo speaker in the phone. And therefore, to ensure durability, the entire module is made out of a material called liquid metal. Liquid metal is a lightweight alloy. It is 20% lighter than steel, but in terms of toughness and hardness, it is actually 4 times stronger. So you're using a material which hitherto, in this kind of form factor on the external of the phone, has never been used. This is the largest single part on any smartphone which is made out of liquid metal, which makes it really, really tough and solid. So you can see the comparison out here with other top-end flagship phones. ASUS 6Z is actually top of the line. Also the selfie experience, because of the rear cameras coming in the front, bring in all the key capabilities of the rear camera. So you've got the Pro mode support, you've got the portrait mode support, you've got auto panorama also available on the front camera, you've got night mode and HDR enhanced mode, all of these built in into the front camera as well. And for videos, you've got the best-in-class support within the segment of free angle videos, because you can also use the rotating camera up to 4K 60 FPS with EIS, and also for the front. So in the front camera as well, you can actually have 4K 60 FPS videos with EIS. I'm sure you'll be convinced that 6Z is the best flagship smartphone in its class and offers you capabilities which are truly innovative and hitherto not been offered by any other smartphone so far. For our Indian fans, we have India pricing, and the ASUS 6Z 6GB RAM, 64GB ROM variant will be available in India on Flipkart for rupees 31,999. And the 6GB RAM, 128GB variant will be available on Flipkart for rupees 34,999. And finally, the top of the line, 8GB RAM, 256GB variant will be available on Flipkart only for rupees 39,999. Of June. So that's about it, friends. Thank you very much for coming here, and that was my part of the presentation, and we move forward to the next part of the event. Thank you.